Hello, good morning. Today we are going to see another chapter of mathematics, lesson number 9, which is logarithm. So, in this chapter, we will see about the logarithm, how to write the form in a logarithm form. So, first we must know, before entering into this chapter, we must know the indices, which we have learned in the previous chapter, chapter number 8, indices. So, first we must know to write in an exponential form. So, this is called exponential form. A power n, this is called exponential form. As it is called exponential form, because it contains base as well as indices. This is called index or power. This is base. So a form which contain base and index or power is called exponential form. So in this, from this exponential form, we will learn a new form that is called logarithm form. Logarithm. So first we will learn to write this form in a logarithm. So first we will see here this a power n equal to n. This is what exponential form. So to convert into logarithm form, first we have to write this as a log. We will write as a log, and the number which is after this equal to sign on the right side we will keep as a log of m. So we will write as a log of m, and this base we will write here as a base log a of m, and this exponent will be written here as n. So this is the logarithm form of this. So we have converted this exponential form into logarithm form. The right side will be written as this here as it is, and this base will be written as a base, and this exponent n will come here as the right side. So we must know in logarithm form it is written as a log of m base a is equal to x. For example, let us take one more example. 6 to the power 6 square is equal to 36. So 6 square is equal to 36. To convert this into logarithm form, we will write log. What is in the right side, we will write log of 36, and the base will be written as a base 6 is equal to exponent will be written as here exponent. Log 6 or log of 36 with base 6 is equal to 2. So how we will read it? Reading is important. Log of 36 with base, this is called base, and is equal to 2. So wait, we will see in here. This form we have learned to convert it into logarithm form. Log 6 of 36 is equal to 2. So this base should always be a positive real number except 1. 1 should not be used here. It should be a real positive number except 1, and this one should be a rational number. This one is rational number. And what one exception is here is irrational numbers are not allowed in this logarithm. And one more thing we will learn here is, for any number, see, for a power 0 is equal to 1. So we know that any number with the power 0 is equal to 1. So how we will write this is a logarithm form. Log, what is right side, log of 1 base a is equal to 0. So what we conclude from here is, any log number with base 1 will be equal to 0. So if there will be base 1, then your exponent will be here is 0. So let us take one more example from here. For example, 125 power 0 is equal to 1. We know that any number with the power 0 is equal to 1. So how we will write in logarithm form? Log, this will come here as it is, base will be 125 is equal to 0, this exponent. So any number with this will be 1, sorry, logarithm of 1 will be 0. Logarithm of 1 will always be 0, equal to 0. So take one more example. We must know about common logarithm. What is known as common logarithm? With base 10 is known as common logarithm. See, log 10 of 36 anything. This, if there will be base 10, then this is known as common logarithm. So with base 10 we call it as a common logarithm. And one more thing we must know, if their base is not given, for example log 16, log of 16, so if base is not given here, what we will write? We will write as 10. If the base is not given, we will include it as a 10. Now let us take one more example here to convert into logarithm form. For example, 5 square is equal to 25. So how to write? Log of 25, what is on the right side, base will be written as it is equal to 2. So we will write as it is. What we learnt more here is one point. Any log of 1 will be equal to 0. That will any log of 1 will be equal to 0. And so now in this logarithm form, this is written as like this. We learnt log a of power of m is equal to n. So to convert into exponential form, a power n is equal to n. So this is written as, this is your logarithm form, and this is exponential form, So we will learn some examples to convert into exponential form and to logarithm form. So let us solve some of the problems, and in the next video we will come to learn many things about logarithm. So first let us see, to convert into logarithm form, 6 power 2 is equal to 36, and here example is given log 4 of 16 is equal to 2. First, this is called exponential form. We will learn to convert into logarithm form. So this will be converted as log 36 will be written here, 36 as it is, and this base will be written here as log of 6 is equal to, exponent will be written here as 2. So we learn to convert from exponential form into logarithm form. So now this is given as logarithm form. Actually before only it is given as logarithm form. So this we will convert into exponential form. How we will convert? First we will write this base, okay, base, then power exponent 4 square is equal to 16. So we learned two things: to convert from exponential form to logarithm form, and from logarithm form to exponential form. We learn these two formulas to convert from exponential to logarithm and from logarithm to exponential form. And we will solve only 2 questions today, and next video we will solve all the questions remaining 9.1 exercises we will solve. So first question, let us see, for example 5 power 4 is equal to 625. So what will come here? Log, very good. This will be written here as 625. Base will come here 5 is equal to 4. Power will be written here. One more. Let us take 5 power 3 is equal to 125. What will be written as? Log, this will come here 125. Base will be written here as 5 is equal to, power will be written here as 3. To convert this, again we will see log 4 of 64 is equal to 3. How we will write? First we will write the base 4, then power 3 is equal to 64. Like this we will learn. So we have seen the basic concepts of logarithm. Logarithm, this is the form, this is the way of writing the value exponential form into a logarithm form. We will try to solve the more questions or the more problems on this logarithm in the next class. Last problem of today we will see, we will do one sum today and we will learn how to find the value of x. So for example, it is given as log x 16 is equal to 2. So how we will write, first we have to find this value of x. We don't know what is the base, so we have to find this value of x. So first we will convert into exponential form. For converting exponential form, first we will write base, then the square is equal to 16. So we wrote like this. Then what we will do, x is equal to root of 16. So x value will get as 4. So what will come here, the value of x will be log 4 of 16 is equal to 2. Thank you.